Today we're diving into a projector that isn't for your typical home theater setup. This is the NEC NP-PA1505UL-B, a professional-grade installation projector that packs 15,000 lumens of brightness and supports 4K content. Right off the bat, I want to say this is a serious piece of equipment. It's built to dominate large spaces, not just for casual movie watching, but for professional environments where clarity, precision, and consistency matter. Let's start with the first thing most people notice: the sheer brightness. 15,000 lumens is in a league of its own. To put that in perspective, most home projectors hit around 2,000 to 3,000 lumens. That's great for darkened rooms, but once you need to project in venues with ambient light, like lecture halls, conference centers, or large public spaces, brightness isn't just a luxury, it's a requirement. And this NEC projector delivers it effortlessly, filling huge rooms with a vibrant, clear image that cuts through whatever lighting environment you throw at it. Next, let's talk about the laser light engine. Unlike traditional lamp-based projectors, this one uses a laser phosphor system. That means consistent brightness, better color stability, and a ridiculously long lifespan, up to 20,000 hours. So whether it's running daily at a university or continuously in a museum installation, this projector is designed to last. You won't be swapping bulbs every few months or dealing with dimming over time, which saves both money and headaches in the long run. But brightness alone isn't everything. Let's talk image quality. The NP-PA1505UL-B accepts 4K input, and even though the native resolution is WXK 1920 by 1200, NEC's internal processing does an excellent job of scaling content. That means your visuals remain crisp and detailed, even on massive projection surfaces. Whether it's intricate architectural plans, detailed graphs, or cinematic video, this projector handles it with precision. Text looks sharp, graphics remain clear, and fine details are preserved. Color reproduction is another highlight. The laser engine delivers a wide color gamut, and that makes images pop. Reds are vibrant, greens are lush, and skin tones remain natural. If you're using this for a corporate presentation, educational content, or artistic displays, you'll notice the difference immediately. It's not just about brightness, it's about delivering an image that feels true to life. Let's get into installation and flexibility, because this is where professional-grade projectors really separate themselves from consumer models. NEC offers interchangeable lenses, which means you can choose the perfect lens depending on your room size and projector placement. Combine that with motorized lens shift, zoom, and focus, and you get an installation process that's precise and adaptable, even in challenging spaces. But NEC didn't stop there. The NP-PA1505UL-B supports multi-projector configurations with edge blending and geometric correction. That allows you to project large, seamless images across multiple units or onto curved or unconventional surfaces. Imagine walking into a museum exhibit where the projection wraps perfectly around the environment. That's the kind of capability this projector provides. Reliability is also a big deal. NEC designed this projector for 24/7 operation, which makes it ideal for places where downtime simply isn't an option. Think control rooms, airports, casinos, or exhibition spaces. Dust-resistant components, optimized thermal management, and durable construction all ensure that this projector can handle long-term heavy use without compromising performance. Connectivity is another area where this projector shines. It supports BASET, HDMI, DisplayPort, and network control, making it easy to integrate into complex AV systems. Remote management, monitoring, and scheduling are all possible, meaning you don't need to physically access the projector for adjustments. For units mounted on ceilings or in hard-to-reach locations, that's a game changer. Now let's talk about who this projector is really for. If you're just looking for a weekend home theater upgrade, this is way overkill. But if you're responsible for outfitting large professional spaces, whether it's a corporate auditorium, university lecture hall, museum, or large-scale event, this projector gives you professional-grade reliability and image quality. And when you consider the laser light source,